Because I wasn't the type to take charge of my finances before.
And I leave the money thing over to my husband. My thing that I'm the most nervous about if he dies first, because he's so in charge.
I think the biggest fear I have is just running out of money.
I thought I was taking care of my money, but I did get into a bad investment.
So many mistakes following other people's advice over the years. You know, we've lost so much money.
I attended the estate planning, and then It's Your Money and It's Your Estate.
I attended both It's Your Money and It's Your Estate, and I've attended both of them twice.
The workshops turned me around completely because I was ignorant.
Thought, wow, this is really good.
Because there's a lot of intense information. But it's very useful, it's very accessible. It's something that someone like me could do.
You know, I wasn't being talked into anything, and that was really comforting. Just to feel like it was information that was offered freely, that was there for me to accept or not.
You really do. You feel empowered.
This gave me the idea of getting involved. It was win-win-win every way.
I learned a lot of things. I had a living trust before, but I made a lot of changes after attending the seminar.
I just feel like whatever I do have, I want to decide where it's going to go.